Yesterday, we launched a brand new website, and today I'm going to be talking you through the latest and greatest features to make sure that your campervan adventure is now even smoother to book. Let's do it. First up, let's talk about the brand new filter menu. This mega menu has been designed to give you as many different options to book so you can make sure that your campervan is exactly as quirky as you need it to be. So if you're traveling with 3 kids, 2 dogs, a cat, and you want to go to the EU, now you can filter for that. Now it's safe to say at Quirky, we love pets. And to make sure that you can bring your furry friend on the road with you, we've made it even more pet friendly to search. You've got a little toggle bar that you can filter on the menu now, as well as being able to filter in the big menu to make sure that any campervan that's ready for you to book is also ready to take your pet. Now the homepage wasn't particularly optimized for mobile, so that's one of the big changes. We've made the homepage so much easier to search, from hiring to buying and selling to converting a campervan to any of the locations or even our blogs. You can find all of this on the homepage now. We like to think that our customer service is the thing that really sets us apart at Quirky, largely because we're a human team and we really value human interaction. The Knowledge Hub features an answer bot, all of our blog resources, a live chat, a phone number you can call, which should mean that if you need us, we'll be there to make the journey smoother. If you're going on holiday, you want to know where you're staying and you want to see every last inch of your accommodation. So that's why we've been working with a 360 camera to make sure that you can see just how quirky each and every campervan is. This is still the Quirky Campers that you know and love. It's just smoother, smarter, and even better at getting you the perfect adventures.